Hey guys, Snowman, real quick update on the LS1 Commandos. LS1 Combat Hollow Handle Survival Knife Blades. These are Jack Crain inspired. You know, Mark Tetcher, get a lot of inspiration from his work. And so I wanted to build me a couple of them. They're coming out really nice, and I'm really these are really cool. They're going to be badass. Here at STK Knives, we use 6.8mm blade stock. This is the tang that's going into those hollow handle tubes. You're looking at just over 2.5 inches. So we feature the strongest tang attachment ever going on these hollow handles. We've got longer tangs. This one's going to have dual titanium pins. They're 6.8mm wide. This one is over 3/4 inches wide on the width. These are damn near 7/8 inch wide. I want to leave them 7/8. I was gonna bring these up, but these snug up the inside of the hollow handle tube wall with this large a blade, engineering wise. I am not going to reduce down that tang anymore. These are going to work out fine on the Jack Crain specs. His are a little bit higher. The bottom part of the tang is in line with the tip, and I can't do that. I can get it close to his design, but we're making these to be brutally tough. That's my whole thing here at STK Knives. I got into this when I started making these hollow handle knives. Mine were going to be the strongest out there, and they are absolutely going to be. We got two different holes blocking out this massive tang. We've got epoxy, which is now steel reinforced. It's actually got steel particles. They're 80 CRV2, 5160, and bronze particles. It's particle dust that's mixed in with that epoxy. Then they're locked out with two. This one's going to have two aero-grade titanium pins. So these choles will still be nice. They'll still be pronounced. They'll be. You got distance. It's a little bit less than the top. It's not quite centered with the ricasso, but it's fine. They're going to look fabulous. They're going to look just really, really nice. If I brought this tang up to 3/4, yeah, we'll get it closer to like Jack Crain specs, but this has got to be STK Knife specs because we got to have the strongest we can on that tang attachment. 6.8mm. Nobody else did 6.8mm in the initial phases of the Jack Crain knives. They did 5 to 6mm. Nobody goes as deep as we do. Nobody's ever gone as deep as we do. I've seen guys in Europe that went the whole tube because they had a display knife. This is an actual working. This is going to be an actual working Jack Crain knife, inspired LS1. Modern counter sawback serrations. So I still got quite a bit of work to do on these. I ordered some disc. I want to do another video where I'm talking about these discs. We've got a situation that's arising here in the United States that I believe that's happening, but I want to talk about that on another video. So I'm waiting for the discs to come in. I won't be able to use the piano frame. It was mostly cast iron. I ordered some really high quality 6061 aluminum bar stock. I'm going to custom make the LS1 guards. So today I'm going to finish out my primaries, getting them where I want them, the clip point where I want them. I got to work the tips up to a nice pointy tip, and I'll cut the choles out. I'm just not getting in a hurry in these. They could have already been done, but I'm just absolutely not going to get in a hurry on these first two builds. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you guys later.